Dear students, this is Santosh Kumar with you to tell you the story titled A Hero, which is written by R.K. Narayan. Let me throw the light on R.K. Narayan, the author of this story. R.K. Narayan is the most famous and widely read Indian novelist. He was born on 10th October 1906 in Chennai. He began his writing career with Swami and Friends in 1935. Most of his work is set in the fictional town of Malgudi, which captures everything Indian while having a unique identity of its own. So, now I am going to tell you the story A Hero. Swami's father was reading a newspaper. He read out an article to Swami. As soon as the village boy saw the tiger, he climbed on a tree till the villagers came and killed the tiger. Father thought the village boy who had fought a tiger was very courageous. But Swami told his father that he must have been a grown-up and strong person, not at all a boy. Swami's father challenged Swami to prove his courage by sleeping alone in his office room that night. But Swami tried to divert his father's mind by changing the subject of discussion. But his father just wanted Swami to learn to be courageous, as he was no longer a baby but a grown-up boy. Swami lied down in Granny's bed and pretended to sleep. His grandmother told him that she would tell him a story, but Swami told her not to disturb him, even if the house was on fire. In spite of Granny's insistence to allow him to sleep in the hall, his father refused and took him to sleep in the office room. Father refused to keep the lamp burning, though he opened the door and threatened Swami not to go to the granny's bed at night. Swami's father promised to leave the door open and said if Swami disobeyed, he would mock him in his school. In the office room at night, Swami felt cut off from humanity. He was pained and angry. As the night and the silence in the house deepened, his heart beat faster. He felt faint with fear. He remembered the stories of devil and ghosts, and every moment he expected the devils to come up and carry him away. Swami saw something rustling. As it came nearer, Swami crawled out from under the bench and hugged it with all his strength and beat him to death almost. There was an agonized cry. Hearing it, Swami's father, cook, and the servant came in carrying light. There lay the most notorious housebreaker amidst the furniture with bleeding ankle. He was caught and handed over to the police. The Malgudi police is very grateful to Swami. Swami was praised by the police and school teachers and his friends also. Certainly, Swami was a hero. This is the story of a hero.